Hello viewers, welcome. My name is Teacher Dennis. I want to take you through a math lesson, and today we are going to discuss about distance, time and speed. Distance, time and speed. So today I've borrowed a leaf from a television network, that is DSTV, just to come up with a formula in which we can use to calculate the distance, time and speed. So our formula of today is very simple. That is the simplest way in which we can approach how to calculate the distance, time, and speed. So we are going to use an approach which I invented by myself called DSTV approach. And in this particular approach, we are going to have a triangle that is composed of three items, components. One, the first part of the triangle is having a D, we have an S, and we have a T. So all these combined is what brings about what you call a DSTV approach. So this approach is going to help us in getting the specific formula in which we can calculate distance, time, and speed. So let's have a look. So D in our formula, D stands for distance, D stands for distance, T stands for time, and finally, S stands for speed. So in our case, we have distance, speed, and time. This is what brings about the approach called the DSTV approach. So our main thing is to know how to calculate the distance, how to come up with a formula of getting the distance, how to come up with a formula of getting the speed, how to come up with a formula of getting the time. So it is simple. D is at the top. So that means that for us to get the distance, which is represented by letter D, we'll have to close the D, and then we remain with S and T. So in getting the distance, in between here, we have multiplication sign. Then down here, we have division sign. So here is division sign. This is the division sign. So for us to get the distance will be derived as speed times time. So distance is equals to speed times time. Remember, in between speed and time we have multiplication sign. So distance is equals to speed times time. Now our next item is how to get the speed. Remember I said when you are asked speed, you have to close letter S. So speed is equals to, here we have division, so speed is equals to distance over time. Distance over time. So from there we go to time finally, time. So time, again we can derive our formula for time. Time is equals to, so we cover T, time is equals to distance over speed. Time is equals to distance over speed. So time is equals to distance over speed. Distance over speed. So that is the simplest way in which we can come up with the three formula that we can use to get the distance, time, and speed. So in our next lesson, I will take you through how to apply these three formula in getting a question, getting a solution to a question in which they are asking you to get the distance, time, and speed. So watch out my next video. I will be taking you through on the real calculation when applying this formula. How can we get the answer using the formula distance equals speed times time, speed is equals distance over time, time is equals distance over speed. Thanks so much. Be blessed.